forests. This archipelago is made up of more than 7
cuisine and culture. I'd made my way to Western Sumatra. Where would you flavours? Anywhere in the world.
And while I feel like an underdressed party crasher, I swear I've been...
For William Wonso.
I don't know where is he.
You don't?
Yeah.
Where on earth?
Chef William Wonso is an Indonesian legend. He's earned himself a reputation as both a teacher and a
About this, it'll go from a 32 waist to 38.
Fortunately, like a posh...
This is what we call it traditionally bajamba, woman...
Experience.
This...
Shoes off.
Yes.
I have the biggest feet in West Sumatra.
Traditional bajamba feasts call for food to be...
In the world, so you have to have the whole fish.
The whole fish.
Here is...
is both diverse and daunting. And it appears will be true.
This is a glutinous rice. When you have this, you don't... This one is a cassava leaf cooked in curry.
But my invitation came with the promise of one...
Rendang, the favorite. This is the...
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. A stew having sex with a curry. Breathtaking.
Local ways here.
You're 73 now.
72.
You put me under an immense amount of pressure. Right. Thank you. Gentlemen.
You see the governor of Western Sumatra.
Sir, how are you? Yes.
The governor will be your judge.
Oh, stop. I mean, in his mid-70s now, clearly not slowing down. He wants me to get up.
If I'm going to beat the Indonesian master on his turf, it's to meet local cattle farmers.
Now, are they... What's
Really good beef, special cattle.
And it's a drive up into the...
Fortunately, in Sumatra, street food is a way of life. On almost every made from coconut.
What is this?
Really good. It's everyone's favorite.
Everyone's favourite.
This is bika.
Beaker. It's like a cookie,
Cake, small cake.
So that's a banana leaf underneath there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you. Phew.
Oh, no. Yes.
See how they...
Okay, gotcha. How many beakers?
Okay.
Stop it, smart ass. They make it look so easy. Coconuts do you want to screw?
This is like typical from this area only.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Terima kasih.
Oh, my Lord.
Mau pulang ya?
Yeah.
Bika.
Some... Oh, no. No, no, please, no, no. There's a pungent smell that doesn't sit right with my palate. Never been a big...
This is Sumatran durian. It's different. This is the best.
A Sumatran durian is...
Come on, but it's different.
Is different.
It's different.
I swear, out much of Southeast Asia.
The king of the fruits. You try, please, for me.
Oh, excuse me, please. And I respect the fat pizza, but I think Ade is just trying to torment me.
Really?
With good and bad, it's time to get back on the road in search of the finest...
Best cut for themselves normally.
Gotcha.
It's gotta be special, like.
So, Ade, where is this beef? How much further? Upper end takes effort, right?
Right.
What is that? Yo, are you crazy? Bloody hell. Yo, are you crazy? Bloody hell. This is insane.
Pacu Jawi. It's a bull run. So they're...
New favourite sport, started 400 years ago as a celebration. It takes great strength, incredible courage, and...
That's perfect. Hello, Pak Zamrul. They will give you the best beef.
Ada rumah.
Oh, look. Can't quite believe I'm doing this, honestly. I said...
Sumatra, Indonesia, I'm attempting to convince these local cattle ranchers. The crowd is betting on how...
Let's go, let's go. Chef, it's called payback time. It's like this incredible, like, your head tucked in between both our... Head down. This is insane. All this for a beef rendang. My Lord. Stick to cooking.
I'm in search of fresh seafood. As an island nation, it's no local guide, Roosty.
Now, Roosty, Chef William told kind of fish are in these waters.
Red snapper, white snappers, trevally, and tuna go to the other fishing boat.
Is that a taxi?
Something like that.
Then some of the boats we pass.
Chef?
Oh, thanks.
Okay, where's the captain? Come. How can I help, Captain?
Yeah, you have to walk here.
You have to earn it. The captain glides across the swaying outrigger.
Dude, there's got to be an easier way of getting a net out here. My feet don't...
I'm coming.
You stop moving the boat, and it's going up and down. Jellyfish down there. Do they sting?
Yeah. Don't fall. You have to keep the balance.
Holy...
You know why you fall down?
Expected bath, I'm determined to finish lashing my nets to the outriggers.
Good, Captain.
Captain.
I'm starving. Fortunately, there's not fish. Stop it.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah. This is beef. So, what is...
Bloody beef rendang. So, no fish. No. This caramelized beef, that is absolutely delicious.
Preserves the beef while out at sea.
You know, it's crispy, it's caramelized.
Of West Sumatran rendang.
Now, the nets are down. They're like...
Yes.
I can't spend 3 or 4 days out here.
Time for my big cook with Chef Wongso, master of Indonesian cuisine.
Wow. Is that it? We're going in...
According to Ade, while Indonesia's coastlines provide some of the...
It's like a huge one.
Really? I never ever thought we'd be fun.
Go down.
Down. There's nowhere to go down.
Nothing. It's okay. Are you scared?
river prawns.
You can sit back now.
Wow. Look at this. Amazing location, but not quite as exotic and exquisite as this. You sure? I've never caught a prawn on a hook. Come on, prawns.
After
Hello? Are they been fishing?
Yeah,
Are they?
They are.
Fishermen saved the day for me. You know, Addy and I were sat there patiently, but we could be here all night. Right, should we head back? I've got to start prepping and
Okay.
cooking for the governor.
Yeah.
Look at that.
To ensure it measures up to Chef Williams, I've enlisted the help of a young...
A legend. I need to nail this thing.
You can find every ingredient for rendang.
Wow, so what's she doing? She's making a paste?
Yeah, that's chili and ingredients.
Thank you.
Now that I have the perfect spot to mix my rank...
Ginger kalangal, this one.
Galangal there.
Okay. This one, chicken feet.
Chicken food? I'd love to try it. Thank you.
But...
Yes.
It's okay to borrow the bike? Thank you. Thank you.
It's time to grind them down into a fine paste. I'm giving a crash course.
You can do it. You can do it. Just pull it, pull it, pull it.
My daughter's seeking revenge in one.
Okay. Just
Looks.
Do you have a bigger rock?
yes. Yeah. Better one.
Seems she's a follower of the Ramsay method.
Next ingredient.
In goes the garlic, salt, and of course, heaps of chilies.
I'd love to start cooking this now. How do
Okay.
I? Because the secret.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Boom. Excellent.
Masak rendang bisa kita pakai sebentar tempatnya.
Oh, boleh.
Okay. She said yes.
Katuju has helped me with the paste. I'm ready to roll up my sleeves and take...
So in, little slice in the middle,
Okay.
and then the turmeric. Beautiful.
She said it has a good smell.
Good smell. Pressurize, cook.
My rendang may smell authentic, but
Needs to be exceptional.
undergrad, having pulled an all-nighter before finals.
Chef,
For a couple of hours.
my apology. Look at that table.
And I'm keen to show my Indonesian mentor that I've done my homework.
3 hours. So I started it in the market yesterday.
No time to... A beautiful tenderloin, not often used in rendang. It's one of the impression.
I hope I heard a good thing about
Meters. Sorry, 80 centimeters. In between two bullocks' asses. Not good. You said, get it. I'm caramelizing that beef on top of this grill and following your way.
Remember, never do rendang. What should I do?
Come on,
Whatever.
my mum said a little bit of rain never hurt. I checked the...
Ah,
There you go.
that's good.
Yeah.
After a quick cool down, it's time to add some more sweet
Yes, sir.
If the moisture is too high,
Yes.
it doesn't last long.
Rain didn't help, did it? You know, William sees a little bit of him in me, so... Let's just try them off again, get a little more crispy. Good. Why are you doing that? Dude, from a legend like that is exciting.
He's also preparing a fern tip curry, served with
Prawns. Where have my prawns gone?
Here you are. Little surprise is good.
Shame on you, William.
strength to fight. Luckily, my fishing captain came through with some...
Worked hard for those things.
This is my favorite.
Oh, I'm glad to hear it, by the way. Have some yogurt. Do you have any yogurt, please? Fresh yogurt.
How soon you know and get the yogurt?
Seriously? Look at the size of that beauty. Is this the farmer?
Yes. We asked him to get the yogurt.
and domesticated dairy cattle. As a result, the farmer has
Governor's lunch.
Ini udah bisa mulai di ini.
bashful bovine.
You want me to milk this?
You better do it.
Damn.
Yeah, slowly.
Slowly. She's not happy.
All right? No.
Seriously?
In West Sumatra, Indonesia,
Fix that tail on company. Oh, bloody hell. I love buffaloes. Let's get that clear. She was a little bit nervous.
Organic cosmetic.
Organic cosmetic, thank you.
See?
So it's set already like that?
Set already.
In the bamboo?
In the bamboo.
Traditionally served with breakfast, but I'm going to put it in a dessert and fingers crossed. This is unique.
Very natural.
And
on our main courses. The governor is due any moment.
yes. Why are you shouting at me?
You want to impress the governor?
Yeah.
Governor coming in.
Hello.
Hey, how are you, sir? The governor's wife is more important.
She's a parliament member. Good to see you. It's an honor to have you here.
Pleasure.
Like rendang, yeah?
Caramelized. Okay. Gotcha. King together.
Don't be jealous. I have an assistant.
Yeah. Hey, excuse me. You can't cheat.
When the governor...
Governor, happy, yes?
Yes.
And fingers crossed, be by
You think I use hair gel?
a legendary stud like you. You tell me now at the end of the cook. Really?
I bring for you the...
We're doing?
Yeah, we do it. Let me help.
Oh, my God. This literally makes me feel sick. William, I'm trying to finish my dishes. 2 minutes, Governor.
No problem.
William's jury and distraction, I'm in the home stretch and focused on the task.
You happy? Boom.
Dean. Hopefully, my version of Rendang with grilled strips.
My beef rendang.
Thank you,
So,
Mr.
my pass that
Gordon.
down. Now, please be seated.
Yeah,
First of all, my apologies for being late. That was my fault. Rendang with the local court, Bonito. And then from there, I did... Sir,
This is the selamat
please.
makan.
Selamat
makan.
Enjoy, please. Can't... My parents, or even the governor, you know, there's not a dish yet. Not as straightforward as you think, so fingers crossed, it'll all be down to the flavour.
They will be surprised.
Really?
Don't worry that. I can guarantee that this is the...
Do you ever get nervous when you cook for sort of... I'm the young man. Yeah? If this goes pear-shaped, then I have to come back.
So, how you judge his...
Lama bana.
Lama bana.
Oh, you know.
They
My
live-
rendang, wow,
You can see my...
Both they like it.
This is delicious and delicious.
wow.
Eat an entire durian.
How was the eggplant? Sambal? Madam, family, baby, chef. He's in his mid-70s, 6th decade of experience of rendang. What a wealth of experience, and one that can only seen before I got here. But you taught me from the ground up, so thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Take care. Wow, this past week in West Sumatra in 7 days, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with what I did.
I've been humbled by incredible hospitality and learned tradition.